Thank you, Terry Bruggeman, for providing the reference photo of contract working dog Racker Patrol Explosive Detection Dog. Racker served in Afghanistan from 2011 to 2016 at Camp Leatherneck. He was responsible for the security of U.S. Marines while on patrol by identifying improvised explosive devices and explosives designed and destined to kill U.S. service members. Terry had this to say about contract working dog Racker. Racker is a great pup. He loves to just be around me and playing with his Chuck-It toys. I actually got him from Mission K9 Rescue when I was doing some volunteer work helping them out. There was a late flight that was coming in from Afghanistan, and I stayed to help receive the 4 pups, Racker being one of them. When they came in, after traveling for 26 plus hours, we stopped at a local church to give them a break. Racker was the pup I took out of his crate, so I was the first person he met coming back. We took them to the kennels to allow them to bed down for the night. I stayed at a local hotel, and the next morning I went back to the kennels. I was looking at a different pup, but that pup wanted nothing to do with me. And Racker, he chose me. So he was only in the kennels for 12 hours before he came home with me. Racker and I routinely volunteer with Mission K9 Rescue. We make the 4-hour trip about once a month to help out. He loves going to the kennels and spending time with his furry brothers and sisters. Mission K9 Rescue is truly an awesome organization, and I wish I could do more for them. Thank you, Terry and Contract Working Dog Racker, for your service. I am forever indebted to them for allowing Racker to be part of my life.